In Lindau, from June 27th to July 2nd, science took centre stage. The pretty German town by the Lake Constance has indeed hosted the 60th meeting of Nobel laureates, where 61 Nobel Prize winners have met 658 young researchers from 70 countries. Among these, there were 11 Italian researchers who, like everyone else, had been selected by strict international committees in order to take part in the conference and interact and exchange views with the greatest living scientists. The first meeting in Lindau was organized in 1951, after World War II, to rehabilitate the German scientific world in the eyes of the world. 60 years have passed since then, and the topics discussed are the ones that have changed the future of mankind in different sectors: health, environment, energy, international trade, competitiveness, work market, innovations of basic and applied research. This year's meeting was characterized more than ever by the interdisciplinarity, with the presence of Nobel laureates from the fields of physiology, medicine, physics and chemistry. The first lecture, following the opening ceremony, was held by Ada E. Jonath, Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 2009, for mapping ribosomes at the atomic level, components of cells that provide human beings with energy, with important effects in the clinical field on the fight against pathogens resistant to antibiotics. Among the Nobel Prize winners, the Italian scientist Carlo Rubbia, Nobel Prize for Physics in 1984, attended, giving a talk on the physics of the neutrino and of the dark matter. It is now worth debunking the myth of the scientists who have their heads always in the clouds and whose interests are totally different from the ones that ordinary people have. Following the work carried out in Lindau, even for one day, during the meetings and the heated discussions, is enough to realize that all the science being transferred to the youths springs from a deep knowledge and interest in mankind, in the future of mankind and of the world. Here are some very practical and widely comprehensible examples. Harald Zurhausen, viral infections and uterus neck cancer; Richard R. Ernst and the magnetic resonance imaging; Mario Molina and the ozone hole; Gerhard Ertl and the catalytic converter; Carlo Rubbia and the thermodynamic solar systems. Christian de Duve, born in 1917, Nobel Prize winner for medicine in 1974, wrapped up the meeting with a lecture on the natural selection and on the future of the world by reconstructing the 4 billion years of history of life on Earth, from the first biomolecules to the complexity of the human mind. The Science Week of Lindau has then taken place under the motto "Educate, Inspire and Connect", and also those who did not have the opportunity to attend can experience strong emotions by visiting the www.lindau-nobel.org website.